Good morning guys, Jonathan here. I'm here today because I want to show you how to clean your EGR. So this is my engine. It's a Honda Crossroad, Honda VTEC engine. So this is the part that we're gonna clean today. So I started to remove this. Like this. So we're gonna remove these two bolts and clean this. There was a problem. It's always coming out in the engine check here inside, but I changed the spark plugs with new one and the ignition coil. It became better, but after a few months it came back again. So I decided and asked my mechanic friend, the Japanese. He told me that if your engine check, if you change the spark plugs and the ignition coil and the engine check light is still coming out, the problem is just here in your EGR. There is a code that came like 409, 401 code that's showing this is. So what you need is a 12mm gauge to remove this, and you just pop this up, and we need to clean and put it back later. So we need a 12mm gauge socket here. You need a long type. So I'll show you how to remove it. So you can see the, oh my god, okay. So we can just show you, yeah. Like this. Yeah, so we're gonna pop it up. You have to go counterclockwise. So it's just like 40 Newton meter. If you put it back later, you don't need to tighten that much. But sometimes you have to need a gasket to remove this. So we're gonna remove it. It's all the same, like if it's your car, if your SUV is a Crossroad, HRV, or a CRV, a new one, all the same. So you have to unscrew this area to remove it. I'm sorry. You need to put the gloves on there. So you don't need to replace this because it's expensive, and if you go to the mechanic, they will charge you like $500 just to clean or replace this thing. So with the new one, so if you just clean it up, no problem, it's gonna be like brand new, and your engine check will go away. So this is it. You remove the bolt. So I like to show you there. Just be careful here in the side near the spark plug area, coil, the bolt might fall, so yeah, I think this is the bolt. It's just 12 millimeter there. So here you're gonna, so I'm gonna show you now. So here you're gonna pull it up, but you have to be careful because there's a gasket below on it. You don't want it to destroy it, or you don't want to drop it down, so you be careful. Popping up. Oh, and no, I didn't told you, you should also remove your battery, your there. Oh, so look here, it's so dirty. Maybe it's never been cleaned for until it was bought brand new. So look at it, it's so black. So we have to clean this up. Like that check engine valve, clean it back and put it back. Or if you want to replace this, you can buy, but it's so expensive. It will cost you like $500 with the installment at Honda, if your car is a Honda or Toyota or Mazda. So it's better if you just can clean it up. So you don't need to remove the gasket. There's a other gasket here, so you don't need to put another gasket maker. Just leave it like that there. So look at inside, it's so black, so we need to clean that up. So that's it, guys. I'm showing you how to clean your EGR. So Jonathan here. So if you finish cleaning it up, you just put it back, install it, and you can go anywhere you want again with your car. So, and the engine check will never come back. Once it pops up again, maybe it's around the 5,000, maybe you need to change or 3,000 kilometers, you need to change your like your spark plug, your ignition coils with new one. If you can do it by yourself, it's more cheaper. You don't need to, you just buy the parts and you do it by yourself, your DIY. The more you don't spend too much money for your car. So that's it, guys. In and out, Jonathan here.